Do a little bit of solving with elimination. This is the same skill we've been working on. You'll find that the first couple of these are pretty easy. As you see, they have the negative 5x over positive 5x, so that can cancel. And then you would do 9y minus 2y would make 7y, and then 17 plus 4 would be 21. Dividing both sides by 7, you'll see that y equals 3. However, you still need a x value, so you would go and use either the first equation or the second equation to solve for x. I'm going to use the second, so I would say 5x minus 2, and then here's where you would substitute this known value for y, 3, into this variable for y. So I'm going to put a 3 right there, and it has to equal 4. Work it all out, so I would do 5x minus 6 equals 4. Adding 6 on both sides. So 5x equals 10. Divide both sides by 5. And x would equal 2. So my solutions are going to be 2, 3. Let me go ahead and put that in. And go to the next one. Alright, this one, the terms do not immediately cancel. If you'll notice, you have a negative 4y over negative 4y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the first equation the same. 3y minus 4y equals 1. But I'm going to change everything in the second equation. Flip the sign so that I can get a negative 4y to cancel with a positive 4y. So I change this leading x to a negative x. Change this negative 4y to plus 4y. Change the positive 11 to a negative 11. Okay, now I can go through and add my columns. 3x minus x is 2x. These two cancel out, and then I do 1 minus 11. That would be a negative 10. Dividing both sides by 2, x can now equal negative 5. I need a y value, so I'm going to pick the second equation. So substituting in for this x value, I'm going to do negative 5 minus 4y equals 11. I'm going to add 5 to both sides, making this negative 4y equals 16, dividing both sides by negative 4, and so y equals negative 4. So my correct answer would be negative 5, negative 4. So negative 5, negative 4 should work. I'm going to do a couple of these in my head just so I can get to the last type of problem I wanted to show you. So that would be so that would be 1 and 28. That'd be 7. Hopefully it gets me the type that I'm looking for. 3. And 8. Okay, well, it's going to take, I guess I'm not going to get to the type that I wanted to get to, but if you come across a problem and you can't solve it, be sure to ask for help.